Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up the day. Yeah, that was doable without a test here. It's too late, so we need a little something. Also, don't forget, it's the last day of the month. So, you know, first sign of change of the direction here. Confirmed here. Going down here. Volume distribution is right here. And I'm not trying to do Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation. Just fooling around. I love the guy. He was my role model. Yeah. Guilty as charged. I think it was good without a test. It's such a weird month now. Just look at this. First of all, I discontinued the levels here just because it didn't make any sense. It might all be wrong. It might all be just... And also it's a correction. Yeah, look at it. Like, what am I trying to... What am I trying to do here? It's all scary. Yeah. It's all just not right on monthly. Look at this. The heck is this? Full control of the buyer, of the seller. In the larger picture, in this like massacre called correction. And if you trade correction, you'll lose your erection. That's a proverb in Russia. You'll trade correction, you'll lose erection. And there is truth to this. I must admit I'm in complete agreement. Those are the lines from my Dracula show I'm doing right now. But yeah, this is weird AF. So, yeah. Let's see, but yeah. Anyhow, the rest, let's take a look real quick at everything. Yeah, it's just super high, or otherwise it wouldn't have been bad for a little trade here, like this one. But that would go above the day even, so yeah, now considering how high it is, and also last day of the month it is. Yeah. doosh, doosh, doosh. And then see there's no volume. It's like died. Look at this. Fjord. It's high, it's overextended. That's for sure. But look how beautiful it is on monthly. It just hit the wall. It was going down, 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 and then boom, it just hit the wall. So yeah, I think it's a break. Sorry, I'm just daydreaming. Oh yeah. This is unfortunate. Uy. Yeah. So now, if that was a transition extreme, huh? And this is now this. I don't know, you guys. This doesn't look good for a lake here. Game Cayenne is my new trade. Not mine. I'm just Mickey Mousing. Just monkeying my trading coach. Pfizer just goes. Look at Pfizer. Yeah, that was a little too early here. That was a little too early. It just goes. Looking good. This guy. Yeah, this totally would have worked. I would just like pee my pants for such long consolidation. You know, now you can start working through transition extremum. You know. Like this. This just would have worked. Especially if I was more precise with my entry. Yeah. Like this. That would have worked. But too scary. Especially short. It meant I would have to keep this position for oof. Look at this. I would have to keep this position for like over what, like several days, and every time it can just like gap over. Yeah, no, like just way too scary for a guy like me, for a huge giant chicken like myself. That's interesting. That might have been an exhaustion. So look at this. Might be maybe a continuation, but also maybe an exhaustion. Yeah, it's getting there. course not. Of course not. Comcast. Too far away. Oof. I don't even know what I'm trying to do here. Things look weird. Things look weird. And this is T1, so good. March 21st in our mind. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm trying to. Oh, that's the weird stock that. Yeah, didn't go. I don't know what to do with it. Pepsi. Hey. So, transition extreme now. Yeah. A transition extreme where? What is the direction then? I don't know. Maybe like this. It's all weird. I'll be doing a big one tomorrow, but I won't have time tomorrow. This would have worked too. Absolutely unvolumed. No, not mind. I don't know why am I even watching at most of the stocks. Yeah, I think I'll do a big thing tomorrow. Today maybe I'll have like a couple hours. I'll have a couple hours. Yeah, see, I like just chickened out all of this. And that was a test. That was a test. Oh, sorry. That was a test. Or if I was to work through transitioning from, then nothing till here. Also looks like an exhaustion, and I don't think it would have given me. Okay, even this is an all spread. So take it from here. Gosh, come on. You see, I'm so programmed to set up long. Yeah, so not terribly deep, but that might have been a trade. I don't know. I'm just not in the capacity to do short trade. I also feel like I'm spending time unproductive right now because you see, like this one, it's a break, so bye-bye. Thank you very much. See you when I see you. Yeah. So, it really doesn't matter. So none of this really matters anymore. There's no transition extremum, so all this is history. Yeah. Yum. Oof. So this is broken. Where do we go? This? Maybe. Who knows? Hey, come on. I also think that the last day of the month is not a good time to set up trades. So it's good in continuation of the trend, aka short. Amazon, all of this. Boom. Get it. Forget it. I don't think this was a balance. Boom. And no. The other stocks on the contrary, look at the guy. Oh, look at this guy. This is wrong, yeah. It's a correction. So, can stay. This is gone. Done and gone. And look at this volumes. Oy, oy. Oy, oy. Just look at it. Just wants to go there. Huh. Okay, I gotta go. But you see a lot of things. Make me freak out a little bit, but I mean, look at this. I mean, come on. It can go lower, but I think I'm in a good place on Fjord. And not a bad place on Pfizer. Okay, take care. I'll see you.